officially in day 2 of winter weather preparedness week, and we're breaking down ice safety. There's 4 main precipitation types we see in winter for mid-Missouri, but the primary 2 we're going to be focusing on is going to be those tied to ice, including freezing rain and sleet. Now, both will start out as snowfall in the upper atmosphere, but eventually a warm layer causes both of them to melt into rainfall. The size of that warm layer and what the temperatures underneath look like will determine the difference between freezing rain and sleet. A larger, warmer layer with a smaller area of freezing right before it hits the surface of the earth we'll call freezing rain, as that water droplet will actually become supercooled, so below 32 degrees, but it doesn't stop its motion until it hits the surface of the earth, creating a thin layer of ice. Sleet, however, not as large as a warm layer, and it makes its way down actually as an ice pebble before hitting the surface of the earth. But with freezing rain, it doesn't take too much to really cause a lot of issues for traveling. Now, at 1/4 of an inch, we'll see it become disruptive, and anything over that going to be very dangerous. You're going to want to make sure you stay off the roadways, with over 1/2 of an inch becoming crippling to travel. Now, hopefully this year, you're not going to have to be driving on any of those icy surfaces. But if you do in case of an emergency, here's a couple tips. 1, you're going to want to make sure you reduce your speed because there's less friction between your tires and the pavement, which means your stopping time going to be increasing dramatically. Now 2, you're going to want to make sure you avoid any hills or inclines because it's easier to lose that traction. Now if you do start to slide, make sure you turn in the same direction that you are sliding in. Now, best case scenario, you're not going to be driving on any of those, staying at home until those roadways are clear. I'm meteorologist Chance Koch, reporting from the ABC 17 Storm Tracker.